Oh God, in this hour I lift up my son before you, Lord. Placing his entire life in your hands, you formed him in my womb. You know every detail of his heart, his mind, and his future. Thank you for entrusting me with his life, but I know that he ultimately belongs to you. Father, I pray for your protection over him. Surround him like a shield. Let no harm come near him. Guard his going out and his coming in from this day forth and forevermore, as says in Psalm 1:1-8. Cancel every plan of the enemy over his life, every trap set in darkness, every scheme meant to destroy him. No weapon formed against him shall prosper, and every tongue that rises against him in judgment you shall condemn, according to your word in Isaiah 54:17. Lord, I pray for his health, strengthen his body, fortify